Hello everyone, welcome to Jen Studios.
Today, I am going to teach you how to solve this Rubik Cube in a very easy and simple way. I found it very difficult when I started learning how to solve this, but I found it very easy after I learned how to solve this. So I want to teach all my findings and the easiest way so that all of you can solve this Rubik Cube. It's really very easy. Just follow one step at a time. So how we go about this Rubik Cube is just we need to understand all the pieces of this Rubik Cube. So we have three layers, 1, 2 and 3. So first we solve this top layer, then we solve the middle layer, and we have the third layer. All these center pieces are fixed. So we have 6 of it, and all these 6 center pieces are fixed. And we have what we call the middle piece. This piece will have 2 colors, and these are all the middle pieces where you can find 2 colors. And we have the corner pieces, there are 8 of it, and we have 3 colors in this corner pieces. So that's it about the Rubik Cube. Let's start learning. The first level how to solve is, first we need to solve the cross. Okay, what is solving the cross meaning? So we have to match this center color here and match this color here. So for example, this piece must contain green and red, green and white. So if we solve this, you're halfway done to solve the first layer. After we do the cross, we will solve the corners. After we solve the corners, the first layer is done. So I teach you how to solve the middle pieces first. Okay, to that, first we see what are the colors we need to do. We already have green here, so we need to match with the red centerpiece. So we see where is the red centerpiece. That's it. So you solve this centerpiece. Now we need to see all the other 3 pieces where they are. Now we have green and yellow. To move this, first you need to bring this piece to the bottom layer and try to adjust where you want. Okay, now you see the yellow here, it's here. So you push this yellow piece matching to this center piece and you lift it up. So you can see that you match the red piece and the yellow piece. And we have one more, green and orange. So you match the orange to the orange centerpiece. Okay, then you lift this to the top layer. So you are matching with the green and orange. So now we have white and green. So you match this to the white centerpiece and you lift it up. That's it. The first step we have successfully done. So we matched all the middle center pieces. This is the center piece, this is the middle piece. So we have done the cross. After we done the cross, we have to do the corner pieces. To do that, we have to find a bottom layer green which is facing towards you. So we found one. Okay, hold it towards facing you and you see where are the other 2 colors. This is red and this is yellow. So you have to place this between red and yellow. This is red and this is yellow. So you push to there. You have to basically match this centerpiece. And this color should be this color. So this piece must be these 2 colors. And now this is in the correct position. Now you use this formula. We have to put this to the right top corner. So we have to move this to the left, bring this down, put it back and lift it up. That's as simple as that. So this is the only step you need to follow for measure of solving this Rubik cube. So we go for the another red piece. We have red piece here, and this is matching with the green, red and white. Red and white and green. So you should not keep like this. You have to put it like this so that the green color is facing towards you. Now you have to follow the same formula which I told you before. So it is in the left hand side. So you have to move this to the right hand side. Bring this down, put it back and lift it up. It's very simple. So you can see that we have solved this, and we have to solve the another. We don't have any green piece that is facing towards you. So we have one here. So what we do is we just bring it down like this. Okay. Now you can see that the green is facing towards you, and this yellow is here and this orange is here. So you follow the step again. Move towards the left. Move towards the left. Bring it down. Put it back. Lift it up. We solve this. Okay, now there is another green piece here, but it is on the top layer. We have to bring this down. So what we do is we put this down, you move this away and you lift it up. But you can see that it's gone down. So we use another method. We just put it like this, bring it up. So now you can see the green is facing towards you, the orange is matching and the white is here. So you follow the same step. Just move to the left, bring it down, put back and lift it up. See, we have solved the top layer. It's very simple, right? So let's follow the same step to the same formula to fix these four middle pieces, and if we do that, the middle layer is also done. It's again the same formula, but we have to place the middle pieces in the right position. Like we have done the corner piece in the first layer, we have to see that the top layer color is facing towards you. Yeah, it's the same way. We have to find the piece and then we have to solve it properly. So okay, you can see that this center piece and this red is matching. Now you can see that the bottom color will be either towards the right or towards the left. You see what is the color? It's yellow. It is in the left hand side. So what we do, move to the right, bring it down, put back and lift it up. Always when you do this, this top corner will be moved away. So you have to repeat the same step like we do. This is in the right hand side. So push to the left, bring this down, put it back and lift it up. So you can see that the yellow and red, the middle piece has matched. Now we follow the similar for matching all the 1, 2, 3 pieces. So now we see where we have the other colors. Okay, we have okay, all the pieces are here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have to move this step so that it will bring it down. So this is matched already, so we have to put it back first. Now you can see that this white and red piece is here, which has to go to the left hand side. So we use the same formula, move to the right, bring this down, put it back and lift it up. Now you see that this corner piece has moved. So move it to the left, bring this down, put it back and lift it up. So you can see that we have fixed these two. Now it's time for two more there. Okay, let's see this piece, yellow and orange. So this piece must go here, so to the left. So you move to the right, bring this down, bring back, lift it up. Now you see that this piece has moved down, so you follow the same. This is on the right side. Move to the left, bring it down, put it back, lift it up. And you can see that we have solved the three. There's only one left. Okay, this is the piece that we wanted. So you match this with the orange and this is white. So you have to bring this piece to the left. So what we do? Move to the right, bring this down, put it back and lift it up. As usual, you can see this piece has moved down, so it's on the right side. Move to the left, bring it back, put it back, lift it up. Yay, we have done this 2 layers. It's very simple. So what we do, we have just followed only one single step for solving the corners and this. So now we move on to the top layer. The top layer solving is, actually we have to solve the cross and we have to position these corners and we have to solve it. So there are 3 steps involved. First, cross, place the corners and solve it. How to solve this cross? So we have a simple algorithm, or what you call the simple steps that we follow. So if you see that the blue we have is like this, okay, like an angle, you can say. Sometimes you may have it as a straight line, or if you have like this, you have to make sure you place it in the correct way. So like now we have this, so this is the correct way. So one is pointing towards you, other pointing towards right. Now we follow this step. Move the front layer, put this back, move to the left, bring this back, put it back and bring this down. So you can see that the bottom 2 layers are there, and we see that the angle now has changed to a straight line. Okay, now if it is like this, you cannot do the step. So you have to put this in the right place, like it is to be in the horizontal direction. Now we do the same step again. Move this, bring this up, tilt it, bring this down, put this back and bring this down. So now you can see that most of the top layer has blue colors and we have the cross, but the thing is we need to see whether they are matching to the center pieces. Yes, you can see that these 2 are matching and these 2 is not matching, it's swapped. Actually this has to be here, this has to be here. So at this stage we have this formula: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have to bring this back. So after we do this, you can see that all the center pieces are matched. So we have done the cross. The second step is to fix the corners. First we need to see whether they are in the right places. Like these colors should be blue, yellow and orange. We don't have it in place, so I think this should be here. And how about this? No, nothing is in the right position, so we have to follow this step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you see if any of the blocks are matching, we can see that this is in the right place but not position. So we can see that the three colors are here, but here no, no, no. So what we do is we follow the same step up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you do that, you can see this. Oh, we are lucky we have solved this as well. Now we have this and this in the right places, but we have to position it properly. The blue has to be here, and yellow must be here, orange must be here, the same wise. So we have the same similar formula like we used before. This is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we need to repeat on the left hand side as well, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, still it's not solved. So we have to repeat left and right moves again and again to fix these two corners. So we do this again slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, we solved this Rubik cube. That's it. It's as simple as that. So just we need to focus on how we are doing it. Just follow step by step, and once you started learning it, do one level one time. Just focus on learning step by step. So once you know how to solve this, then you move to the middle layer, then slowly move to the third layer. Definitely everyone can solve this Rubik cube.
Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching Gen Studios. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.